Ooh, welcome to the gold analysis. All right, guys. Today, gold strong as always. Yesterday, I talked about the break of this downtrend on the 4. I have nothing to say here on the daily. Just this daily support here. That's one level that we need to watch. On the 4 hour, as you can see, we have the uptrend here, an interior trend, okay, and we have the major trend, the downtrend here, on also on the 4. So we broke that, but we got the rejection on these 4 hours. So we might need to adapt to the trend, okay, because on the daily we kind of don't have it yet, okay, so we might not even have it, okay, in the future. So what I'm going to do is picking and creating another trend here, okay. It's just for visual purpose, nothing more, because levels and trends are almost the same. So trends are levels, and we still have this polarity level on the 4 and this 1 hour untested level, okay. So I'm gonna watch just this range because yesterday we already had the analysis of the previous one. So gold created a little range here. I'm gonna talk about this, okay. So I'm just going to delete this just so you guys don't get confused, because we are more in a bullish momentum, just because we are also getting away from this uptrend. So we are probably going to create a range trend here, okay, an uptrend on a 4 hour. We already open and close a red candle above this previous one, and even from this one. I'm gonna keep this one here, no worries. So we already have an uptrend here, a range trend on the 4 hour. We have no downtrend on the 4, but we might have it on the 1 hour, okay. It's not created yet, okay. We already tested this level here, it's tested here, so I'm gonna create that, just because if we break up this downtrend on a 1 hour, I really want to see if we are going to back test that, okay, or if we are going to test the polarity level here on the 4 and have a big rejection to the downside. And this downtrend here that is not created yet might still be in play, okay. So we don't have a 1 hour uptrend, okay. We might have it maybe something like this, but I rather have the, oh come on, I rather have the 4, okay. We might have something like this, but I rather have this 4, okay. So on the 1 hour, we have the bottom here. Let me mark this as a 1 hour. And from this 1 hour, we add a good move here. We have a ladder to this one, okay? It's almost the same as that 4, so we kind of don't need it, okay? At least for now. We are really trying to attack the highs here, and we didn't have a big rejection on this 1 hour. This is the last uh, untested level, the last resistance, okay. It was the last resistance on the 1 hour on this range. So we got a little dive here from this polarity moment, but right now this is kind of good because we hold that, we went up 1%, and we might even come here again and still have a good move up, okay. We might deep dive the 4 hour down uptrend, sorry. We might have a, not a deep dive, a little dive here on the 4 hour and still bounce on this polarity. So we are almost breaking up. We just have this on this range, at least the price is really bullish. We just have this support. We might come down a little bit, hold this support. Let me check that on the 15 also. Yeah, this 15, it looks like it was tested. Yeah, this candle was not, but this one is bigger and it was, okay. So I'm gonna mark this 15 here. So that's the level, okay? It's a little bigger, so this one, it's inside this one. So we have a trail here to the 15, so this is kind of the last support and tested candle, okay? We might still go to the polarity, the spread here is 0.3, okay? So I rather wait for the break and test this polarity. If we see a bounce here on the 15 and on the uptrend, this is probably the best option to buy, okay? Because we already deep dive that polarity there. So if we attack this again and we don't hold it, I really want to see a big reaction. But if we don't hold it, we might break down to test that 4-hour uptrend or even the support here on the daily, on the 4-hour, and also on the 1-hour down here. We still have these three support candles on the same day, of course. So we also have the 15, sorry, as on the same day, okay? But yeah, we are probably going to break up here on gold because this is really bullish, unless, yeah, I believe if we break the 4-hour polarity level here and this 1 hour, we are definitely going to a new all-time high. Almost 100% sure, okay? But we still need to break this, and the polarity level and this 1 hour can easily hold the price down, okay? And with that hold, we might be able to create the daily downtrend, okay? If we reject here on this 4 or on this 1 hour, we can have the daily downtrend. For now, we don't have it. I believe I don't need this 4 hour anymore. We might not backtest that. I'm gonna keep it actually because we still have the daily there, really close to the 4 hour. Yeah, but I believe that if we are breaking down, we are most likely to test the 4-hour uptrend than the backside here. It's kind of really close, but in the future, maybe in 2 days, 1 2 days, we might not even close to this. So I'm gonna keep it. Gold really bullish as always, and I believe that we are really close to uh, at least try to go to a new all-time high. Okay, as I said before, guys, if we break these two levels, we are probably going to a new all-time high, or even testing uh, really close to the all-time high over there. So if we don't hold the 4-hour uptrend, we are probably going to the base here. Maybe this 1 hour can still hold, but I rather wait, at least see a good bounce here on this 4 and on this daily polarity level. All right, guys, so this is what I think might happen to gold on the next hours. So thank you so much and see you tomorrow on the gold analysis.